Hello everyone, good wishes to all of you. Welcome to my organization videos. This is a fridge organization video of mine. It is a Whirlpool fridge of mine. It is a double door 265 liters fridge. Here you can see the overview of the fridge, and there are some beautiful Doraemon stickers which my kids have stacked on it, and it is navy blue in color, my fridge. Yes, let's go ahead and see what is in my fridge. Yes, this is the way I have organized my fridge. I will tell you how I have kept everything in an order. I like to keep everything in an order so that it is easy for me to work. I know where everything is. I like to keep it tidy too, like any housewife would do it. This is a regular fridge. It has got 4 sections in the main part. That is, first one is the everyday fresh drawer. It is a sliding drawer. Here I store the milk, and this is curd which I have kept in here, and this is a little leftover heritage curd. And then here inside there I have kept the cream which I collect from the regular daily curd, and once in a week we make clarified butter out of it, which this is the only curd, the ghee which I give to the kids daily in the meals. And this is the ghee which I had made last week. Here you can see, and here you can see I have put my eggs in here. I don't like to put it in the side of the door because my kids are quite naughty, and if the kids make the eggs to fall down, I don't like. So I keep the handle over here, and inside I put the eggs and I put it in this box. And coming to the next shelf, here you can see 2 steel containers here which I put my dosa and idli batter. We are South Indians, so we have for breakfast idli and dosa regularly. And coming to this side, this is more dosa batter which I have kept in this box over here, top of the box. And down here I have kept some cut fruit, that is muskmelon fruit. And down here I have some pudina leaves, and behind you can see this container holds tamarind pulp, that is puliogare paste or pulihora paste, which we make it in with rice, which tastes very good. And this is some red jalapeno pickle which my mom had made a month back, and we love pickles, and I have stored it in here. And coming to this container here, I have stored the ginger and coriander leaves. Down here I have some cut papaya, and down here I have the curry leaves. So this way, everything, if you keep it in a proper container system, this shelf also looks good. And then here you can see we eat a lot of fruits. I give my kids a lot of fruits and veggies, fresh fruits. Here you can see I have 2 boxes which I got as a gift from More Supermarket, which we shop there for our groceries. I got these 2 boxes contains. You can see here I have stored the grapes in here, green grapes, and down there you can see pears and green apples. And I can put the lid back over here. And in this box here I have put all my citrus fruits, that is sweet orange and oranges. I make a lot of juice for my kids, as any mother would want their kids to have. And down here you can see the orchard fresh. drawer. This is again a fruit container. All of you must be having it. Here I have put my pomegranates. I've stored pomegranates and apples, Fuji apples here. And here I have kiwi fruits. And here in here my mother had cut some raw mango. This is summertime, and she's gonna make some pickle out of it. That is the pickle, instant pickle, which we can have it daily with rice. And down here I have the microblock veggie drawer. Here, like anyone else, I also store my veggies here. And here I have some jalapenos. You can see in this box I have these are the cluster beans which my mother-in-law, she had cut them, and then we put it on this cover and we wash them, and then we why we wash it again. It is because so that it does not hold any again dirt in it. And then we have some okra over here, that is lady's finger. And down there we have here in this cover, this is double beans, kalchukutta in Telugu. And then we have here more cluster beans which are not cut. And then down here I have you can see here, these are the cucumbers, and I have a few carrots over here. And down we have beets. Here you have beets. That's it. This is about the main door. And here coming to the door section, I have kept some lemons over here. Yeah, this is amla pickle I have kept in here, which I made a few days back, and it tastes still yummy and tangy. You can see here. Yeah. And here I have kept my coconuts. And then these here are our masalas, that is rajma masala. And this is yeast. And here I have my chaat masala. These are sambar powders. This is sambar powder and sauces. And here you can see I also keep my hair vitamin capsules, which does not allow them to keep spoiled when I keep them outside. I always keep them inside in this fridge only. And here I have cappuccino. My eldest son, he loves to drink cappuccino. This is Nescafe cappuccino packets all over here, and regular coffee is also there. And here you can see this is mixed lemon pickle, mixed veg pickle, that is green chili, carrots, and lemon, which my mom made. And yes, we put all our water bottles also here. And yes, here you can see I put my juice bottle also here. This is aloe vera juice, which I drink early in the morning. Yes. So this is about the fridge portion. And then coming to the freezer portion over here, this is a Neo fresh fridge, 6 cents deep freezer. My younger son, he keeps his he likes to eat Crupton biscuits, so he kept it here. Mom, I like to keep it here, he said. So fine, I said okay. And yes, it is looking and being fresh also. And one bottle we have kept it for ice. And yes, here we keep ice in this so that in case we make any juices, we would use it for that. And in this box here I have kept my spices, bay leaf, cloves, poppy seeds, and all regular spices which we make for biryanis or etc. And obviously in this container here I have kept my flours, that is rice flour and jar and basin, gram flours and all, which do not perish when we keep it in the fridge. And when we keep it outside, there are chances for them to catch any kind of insects. And this is upma rava, and behind there I have kept some putnalu, or what we call it as excuse me, I don't catch the name. These are kind of pulses which we make for chutney. And this is a boost also, which I kept in the fridge. I didn't put it in the shelf. This keeps it fresh. Here I have kept my grapes here, dry grapes, and this is akroat, and this is flax seeds, and here I have kept again rice flour, and this is gunpowder which we use in daily breakfast. We eat, we make it with coconut and chilies and all. And here I have kept my cloves, and here I have poppy seeds again, and these are fennel seeds. Yes, this is the way I have organized my freezer section also. And thank you for watching, everyone. And if you like this organization video, please like, comment and share. Thank you.